The topic is real GDP and nominal GDP. If you want perfection, you need to concentrate. Believe me, this is based on simple facts and common sense. Please never mug up the formula. It will lead to rote learning and it is of no use. Let us assume that in our country only one product is produced, namely computers, right? In the year 2019, a total of 1000 worth of computers were produced. And in the year 2020, 1200 worth of computers were produced. Now tell me, in which year the production was more? General answer will be 1200. The value of goods produced in the year 2019 was 1000 and 2020 was 1200. Because 1200 is more than 1000, your answer is 2020 में production ज़्यादा हुआ है, right? Now let us make some interesting analysis. We know price into quantity will give us value, total value. Here price means price per unit and quantity means total quantity. So multiplying total quantity by the price per unit will give us the total value of goods produced, and total value of the goods produced in the year 2019 was 1000. Now value is equals to price into quantity. If we want to find the quantity, we need to divide value by the price per unit, right? So value, total value divided by the price will give us quantity, right? Now we are finding the quantity produced in the year 2019. Assuming that price per computer was 10 rupees. So total 1000 worth of computers were produced and price per computer was 10. So quantity produced was 100 computers. So we can say in 2019 total 100 units of computers were produced. Now in the year 2020, a total value of 1200 worth of computers were produced. Assuming price per computer was 15, maybe due to inflation or other factors. So price per computer was 15 and total value of computer produced were 1200. Tell me what is the quantity produced in the year 2020? 1200 divided by 15 will give us the quantity produced 80. अब मुझे बताइए कौन से ईयर में प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हुआ? सर वैल्यू को देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि 2020 में प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हुआ है, लेकिन रियलिटी में क्वांटिटी को देखें, क्योंकि हमारे वांट्स तो सेटिस्फाई करता है क्वांटिटी ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. तो टोटल क्वांटिटी देखें तो 2019 में प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हुआ है एज कंपेयर टू 2020 में प्रोडक्शन कम हो गया है, इनफैक्ट 20% से कम हो गया है. तो हम केवल वैल्यू को कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वैल्यू में प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी दोनों आते हैं. तो प्राइस के इम्पैक्ट को हटा के देखने पर पता चलेगा कि रियल प्रोडक्शन कितना हुआ है. टिल नाउ वी हैव मेड अ मीनिंगफुल एनालिसिस दैट in the year 2020 production was less as compared to year 2019. The current year is 2020, right? और current year में production कितना हुआ है? 80. If we value this quantity, that is, if we value current year's production at current year prices, I repeat, if we value current year's production quantity at current year prices, the value we get 1200 is nominal GDP or GDP at current prices. Why 1200 will be termed as GDP at current prices? Because we are valuing current year's quantity produced at current year's prices. करंट ईयर के प्रोडक्शन को करंट ईयर के प्राइस पे वैल्यू करने पर जो वैल्यू आएगा उसको कहा जाता है नॉमिनल जीडीपी और जीडीपी एट करंट प्राइसेस. नाउ ऑल्टरनेटिवली if we value current year's production not at current year prices but at base year prices, we get 80 into 10 makes 800. This is real GDP or GDP at constant prices. Why? Because we are not changing the prices, we are taking the prices as constant. ऐसा assume करके चलें, पहले भी 10 था तो अभी भी 10 है. And therefore valuing current year's production at base year prices will give us real GDP or GDP at constant prices. और सर ये प्रीवियस ईयर के प्राइसेस को क्यों कंसिडर कर रहे हैं? कंपेयर करने के लिए, मीनिंगफुल कंपेयर करने के लिए बेस सेम करना पड़ेगा. सो लुक एट दिस. current year's production at current year prices will give us 1200. This is nominal GDP or GDP at current prices. And current year's production at some constant prices, base year prices, will give us 800. This is termed as real GDP or GDP at constant prices. So current year production at current year prices will give us nominal GDP or GDP at current prices, and current year's production quantity valued at base year prices will give us real GDP or GDP at constant prices. The good news is we have covered the conceptual portion without using any formula, and we have calculated nominal GDP or GDP at current prices for the year 2020 as 1200 and real GDP or GDP at constant prices for the year 2020 as 800. Now we can understand the same thing with the use of the formula. The formula is real GDP is equals to nominal GDP of the current year divided by price index of the current year into 100. I repeat, real GDP for the current year is nominal GDP for the current year divided by the price index of the current year into 100. In our example, nominal GDP or GDP at the current prices was 1200. 1200 divided by price index of the current year. What is the formula for price index? Price index is price of current year divided by price of base year into 100. The price of computer for the current year was 15 and price of the computer at the base year was 10 into 100 will give us 150. So price index of the computer is 150. So nominal GDP was 1200 divided by price index of current year 150 into 100 will give us 800. अब इस 800 को हम क्या समझें? द थिंग इज 2019 में कितना वैल्यू के गुड्स प्रोड्यूस हुए थे? 1000 एंड 2020 का रियल जीडीपी इज 800 एंड दिस हैज बीन कैलकुलेटेड टेकिंग द प्राइसेस ऑफ द बेस ईयर टू कंपेयर इट विथ 2019 फिगर्स. तो अब हम इसको कंपेयर कर सकते हैं एंड कंपैरिजन से पता चलता है 2019 में प्रोडक्शन हुआ था 1000 एंड 2020 में प्रोडक्शन हुआ 800. दैट मीन्स इन क्वांटिटेटिव टर्म्स 2020 में प्रोडक्शन कम हुआ है. तो रियल टर्म्स में बात करें तो हम केवल क्वांटिटी की बात करते हैं और इससे पता चलता है 2020 में क्वांटिटी कम प्रोड्यूस हुई है एज कंपेयर टू 2019. तो अगर रियल जीडीपी 1000 से ज़्यादा होता यहाँ पे तो हम कंक्लूजन दे सकते थे कि 2019 के कंपैरिजन 2020 में क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस हुई है. तो रियल यहाँ पे मतलब होता है क्वांटिटेटिव, ignoring the price level changes. Now इसी फॉर्मूले को रीशफल करके we can calculate nominal GDP also. तो nominal GDP is equals to real GDP into price index divided by 100. In our example, real GDP was 800 into price index of the current year was 150 divided by 100. 800 into 150 divided by 100 will give us 1200. Nominal GDP का दूसरा नाम GDP at current prices. वो तो हम ऐसे ही कैलकुलेट कर सकते थे. करंट ईयर की क्वांटिटी कितनी प्रोड्यूस हुई? 80. करंट ईयर का प्राइसेस 15 मल्टीप्लाई कर दें 1200. नाउ प्राइस इंडेक्स और प्राइस इंडेक्स का ही दूसरा नाम है GDP deflator और प्राइस इंडेक्स, वन एंड द सेम थिंग. द फॉर्मूला इज नॉमिनल GDP divided by real GDP into 100. So nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100 will give us price index of the current year or GDP deflator. Let us try this one. Nominal GDP means GDP at current prices is 1200 divided by real GDP, current year's production at base year prices 800 into 100, so 150. The second formula for the price index or GDP deflator is price for the current year divided by price of the base year into 100. This we have covered in class 11th also. Price of the current year 15 per computer, price for the base year 10 per computer. 15 divided by 10 into 100 will give us 150. This is price index or GDP deflator. This is known as GDP deflator because it will help us to eliminate the effect of price level changes. and we can focus mainly on the quantity. Now, the main formula is this one, and how to memorize this? No problem. हो गया. Sir, no problem? हाँ, no problem. Nominal GDP divided by price index of the current year into 100. No problem. In order to compare the values of different years and to emphasize on the quantity, real GDP is better compared to nominal GDP.